Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to navigating the world of food delivery services. Today I'm excited to show you how to add your business to Uber Eats. If you own a restaurant or food service business and want to reach more customers, this is the perfect video for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Uber Eats website. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page and look for the restaurants section. Click on Add Your Restaurant. This will take you to Uber Eats restaurant sign up page. Here you will need to write your restaurant name, store address and all the full address along with the type, first name, last name, email address and number. Also write my number in here. Then you can click on submit. Make sure to provide accurate and appealing information as this will attract customers. Once you have completed the required fields, click on submit to send your application. Uber Eats will review information and get in touch with you to discuss the next steps. This might include setting up a meeting to finalize your partnership and get your restaurant listed on the platform. And that's it. Adding your business to Uber Eats is a straightforward process that can help you reach a larger audience and boost your sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.